हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सत्यनारायण साहब। यू आर वाचिंग SNS वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट हिस्ट्री लेसन 1 द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड ए पीरियड ऑफ ट्रांजिशन, उसका क्वेश्चन आंसर। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट नंबर, द रेनेसां फर्स्ट बिगेन इन, कहां पर शुरुआत हुआ था? इटाली, यूरोप का इटाली में। दांते रोट डैश वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट पोएम इन इटालियन लिटरेचर। कौन सा पोएम था फेमस पोएम? डिवाइन कॉमेडी। मैकियावेली wrote a book called Death in which he gave a new definition of state, the prince. Death was the founder of the Reformation movement. Martin Luther. The Industrial Revolution brought death to the world. क्या लाया था? Machines. Capitalism led inevitably to new deaths, trade and industry. B. Match the following. Leonardo da Vinci, famous for painting, Mona Lisa painting. Copernicus, F. Astronomy. Newton, E. Law of gravitation. Galileo, A. Telescope. Industrial Revolution, C. Factory system. Imperialism, G. Colonies. Trade unions, B. Better working conditions. C. Write T for true or F for false. Kepler was a German scientist who explained the movement of planets around the sun. ये true है। Vasco da Gama reached India at Calicut. Calicut के थ्रू से वो इंडिया पहुंचे थे। True। The circulation of blood in the body was explained by William Harvey. True। Renaissance thinkers emphasized on the study of religion. False. Capitalism favored the control of the government. False. Cottage industries flourished during the Industrial Revolution. False. Cottage industries सब बंद हो गया था क्योंकि मशीन प्रोडक्ट कम पैसा में ज्यादा मिल रहा था। Answer the following questions briefly. What do you understand by Renaissance? Renaissance मतलब क्या है? Renaissance means rebirth or revival of art, literature and learning. Renaissance मतलब है पुनर्जागरण, किसका? ना आर्ट, लिटरेचर एंड लर्निंग का। Define the term humanism. Humanism is the study of mankind. It was product of the spread of education and learning. वो लोग रिलीजियस की तरफ से ध्यान हटाकर ह्यूमन किस तरह इंप्रूवमेंट करेगा उस तरह वो लोग स्टडी किए, उसको ह्यूमनिज्म बोला जाता है। एक्सप्लेन द इफेक्ट ऑफ रेनेसां ऑन लिटरेचर। लिटरेचर का ऊपर रेनेसां का क्या प्रभाव था? रेनेसां प्रोड्यूस्ड ए नंबर ऑफ राइटर्स, पोएट्स एंड ड्रामाटिस्ट। देयर वाज शिफ्ट इन इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम स्पिरिचुअल थिंग्स to the affairs of the human beings. बहुत सारे राइटर निकले, पोएट निकले, जिस तरह विलियम शेक्सपियर हुआ, दांते हुआ, like that. What kind of scientific development took place in Europe during the Renaissance period? कौन सा scientific development हुआ था? In astronomy, a Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus proved that all the planets, including the Earth, revolve around the sun. William Harvey discovered how the blood circulated in the body. Name any one painting by Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci. The Sistine Chapel ceiling वो माइकलएंजेलो का था और लियोनार्डो दा विंसी का मोनालिसा। Define the term colonialism. The policy followed by one nation to acquire control over another country and exploit it economically is called colonialism. What were the causes of the rise of the Renaissance? उसका आंसर होगा ड्यूरिंग द medieval period the power and prestige of the pope began to decline. People lost faith in the divine powers of the pope. Besides the wars between the Christians and the Muslims known as the Crusades brought the people of Europe into contact with Arabs. Many students went to the universities in Cairo, Kufa and Cordova for study and then returned with new ideas. It proceeded to Renaissance. Which factors led the Europeans to explore and discover new routes other parts of the world? The most important cause was the rise of capitalism, as it greatly helped in accumulating more wealth. People began to add to their wealth by investing it in expeditions to newly discovered lands. The European rulers' greed for gold and silver and the desire of the European people for spices and goods of foreign countries greatly helped to promote voyages of exploration. What is the Reformation movement? Why did it take place? In the 16th century Common Era, a movement was launched to clean the church from its evils. This movement was called Reformation. The church did not pay heed to these reforms, and as a result, the reformers protested and established their own church called Protestant Church. What is the Industrial Revolution? Why did it start in England? इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन क्या था, क्यों वो इंग्लैंड में स्टार्ट हुआ? द इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन ब्रॉट द मशीन टू द वर्ल्ड and replaced simple tools. With the help of machines, men found it easier to produce more and more in factories instead of the homes of the artisans. The Industrial Revolution started in England because it had stable government and surplus capital which was invested in new industries. क्योंकि इंग्लैंड का पास ज्यादा पैसा था और वो इन्वेस्ट करना चाह रहा था. What do you understand by imperialism? How did the Industrial Revolution lead to imperialism? European powers, the Dutch, Spanish, Portuguese, French and the English conquered these territories and established colonies. Capitalism led inevitably to new imperialism, for everywhere there was a demand for raw materials and markets for manufactured goods. The easiest way to have markets and the raw materials was to take possession of the country. Like, share and comment this video. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.